How to join a Discord server without an invite. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can join a Discord server without an invite. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you would like to join a Discord server without an invite, right? Now, normally, if you have the Discord mobile application, you would be able to join a Discord server only if you have got the invitation link. So you could tap on this little plus icon that you could find over there, and when you tap the plus icon, you would be able to join a server if you have the invitation link for the server. But what if you do not have the invitation link but would still like to join that server? Now keep in mind that if you do not have the invitation link but would like to join that server, you must make sure that the server is a public server. If it is a private server, you cannot join it, but you can access them if it is a public server. Now to find out some of the public servers, if you do not find the option in the application because the app will not have that option, you'll have to log in from your browser on desktop or mobile phone. And once you log into discord.com from desktop or on the PC app instead, there you'll find the explore public service option, which you can use to join the public server. But keep in mind that if you do not have the server link and if the server is private, you will not be able to join. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.